Already we discussed about Golgi complex function, lysosomal functions, and their structures, and as well mitochondria, all these, right? Nucleus and cell. Now, one more important topic we discussed today is lysosomal storage disease. What happens regarding this lysosome, right? Here, actually, the function of lysosome is to digest the injured organelles, right? We discussed already, and phagocytosis and autophagy, these are the functions, right? But here the thing, if the don't if any molecule, if it is not digested by the lysosome, if don't digest a biomolecule in the sense here maybe carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins already no need to digest, they directly absorbed by the our cells. Just already I told you, only fats, carbohydrate, proteins are to be digested, but the vitamins no need to digest because they directly consumed by our cells, right? Now here biomolecule in the sense whatever the carbohydrate, fats, or whatever it may be, which are required by the cell, that if they not digest, instead of in the digestion, biomolecule collects in lysosome. Actually, lysosome function is they digest the materials inside the cell, right? But if that not digest, then what happens? Instead of digesting, these lysosomes collects the that food particle inside them, right? And is it the collection of food particle by the food particle by lysosome is good or bad? Absolutely it is bad. It is against its function, right? Lysosomes fill up with undigested material. It don't digest, then what? Simultaneously what happens? It just fill up with the undigested material. What happens then? Lysosome size increases, means lysosomes grow larger and larger, eventually disrupt cell, means what happens? That break the cell. For example, if you take a balloon and blow the air into that, what happens? As for its flexibility range, it can blow. If the flexibility range is overcome, then automatically it will be blast. The same thing happens here. The when the against the property of lysosome, if it is collect the food material inside it, what happens? Its size increases. As its size increases, what happen? Automatically cell will disrupt, means break here, and cell organ functions also. And lysosomal storage disease are usually fatal. This is called one of the disease. Means what is happening here? Instead of their work function, what is the function? Digestion of food material. Lysosomes are storing the food. Storage is not the function of lysosome, and nothing but if it is storage, that is nothing but the sign of disease. What is the disease? Lysosomal storage disease. It is a fatal disease. Fatal in the sense, actually it is very dangerous, and this happens in the before the age of 5. We observe this child dies before age 5 only. Here see, for example, Tay Sachs disease, lipids build up in brain cell and child dies before age 5. Lipid means what? Fats build up. But in the lysosomes, if the lipid build up in the lysosomes, lipids build up, means what? If they filled, lysosomes are filled by lipids, what happen? Brain cells will, in brain cells, then children will die before the age 5. And that is what we are say, it is a lysosomal storage disease. Very carefully you have to remember this.